Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Lavanya from Lexus and Company, working as an intern. Today, I'll be talking about injunction. Now, what is an injunction? It is a judicial process whereby a party is required to or refrain from doing any act. It is the remedy in the form of an order of the court addressed to the person that either prohibits him from doing a work or continuing such act. Kinds of injunction. There are basically two types. First is the temporary and the other is the permanent. Temporary is also known as interim, which restrains a party for some time from doing a specified act, whereas the permanent injunction restrains a party forever. Now, who can apply and against whom the injunction can be issued? Both the plaintiff and the defendant can apply for the injunction, and it can be against any other party in the case. Now, grounds for the temporary injunction under Order 39 Rule 1. Property in dispute is in danger of being wasted, damaged, or alienated by any other party or wrongfully sold in execution of decree, where defendant threatens or intends to remove or dispose of his property with a view to defraud his creditors, where defendant threatens to dispose the plaintiff or other cause injury to the plaintiff related to the property in dispute. Defendant is about to commit breach of peace or contract otherwise stated in Order 39 Rule 2, where it is in the interest of justice. Now, conditions for granting of temporary injunction. Prima facie case is in the favor of plaintiff and against the defendant. Irreparable injury is likely to be caused by the plaintiff, which cannot be compensated in monetary terms. Balance of conveyance is in the favor of plaintiff. Now, circumstances when this injunction can be granted: to maintain the status quo, again transfer of property, disposal of goods, making construction, effective remedy, recovery of dues, attachment of property, appointment of receiver of commission. In Supreme Court case Manohar Lal vs. Sheikh Hilal AR 1962, it was stated that even if the case does not cover the grounds of Order 39, temporary injunction can still be granted in the exercise of inherent powers of the court.